The word bonsai is a Japanese term that, literally translated, means planted in a container. This art form is derived from an ancient Chinese horticultural practice, part of which was then redeveloped under the influence of Japanese Zen Buddhism. The smallest bonsai is an Acer Momiji, which will fit in the palm of your hand and is still pending a Guinness record. The most expensive bonsai tree was sold for $1.3 million within the borders of Japan during the International Bonsai Convention in Takamatsu. Bonsai cultivation dated back to 2,000 years ago. Ulmus parvifolia bonsai, multi-trunk style, about 100 years old. Pomegranate, Punica granatum, Moyogi style, about 50 years old, at the Bonsai Museum in Pescia, Italy. Japanese black pine var. Kotobuki, as bonsai. This tree is over 65 years old and prized for its flaky bark and very short needles. Sample of a pomegranate trained as bonsai and shown after a late spring partial defoliation. This specimen was collected in the wild in California. The tree is estimated to be 125 to 175 years old. Note the sections of trunk deadwood which give character and reflect the old age of the tree. Seal of the Yamaaki kiln is stamped on the underside of a bonsai pot. Yamaaki was a bonsai pot manufacturer founded in the 1920s in Tokaname, Japan.